Welcome back to Brotuned, everyone. Today we're trying SK Semiauto at 50 yards in the CZ 457 with the MTR barrel. Factory barrel back on. A lot of people wanted to see how this thing shoots with the factory barrel and a lot of different ammos, because a lot of people aren't just gonna splurge for a new barrel. So let's just see what it'll do with the semi-auto SK stuff. So we're gonna do 10 shots. Almost forgot to plug in the magneto speed. So we're gonna do 10 shots on center target, and then we'll do 4 or 5 shot groups. All the data I record will be posted at the end of the video, so you guys can check out SDs and all the data. But that's enough talking, let's get to shooting. Like I said, first 10 rounds on dead center. Make sure 0 is correct. A little left of where I was aiming, a little bit high too. Still a little left. Okay, I'm gonna go 1 click to the right. And we'll do another 5 shots. Here we go. Okay, so our first 5 shot group will be on the top left corner of that square. Here we go. That's all right. First 5 shot group looks pretty good. Now let's go top right for 5. Here we go. We had 1 get away on us there. Still looking pretty good though. Looking better than last week's SK pistol special or match or whatever the hell it was. This stuff's looking better. And I believe this was better in the IBI barrel as well. Next group, bottom right. That one we also had 1 get away on us. Final group, bottom left. Of course, you started off good. Blowing it big time. Well, still very acceptable. I'll throw the data up now. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all next time.